Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I have been uploading various kind of flowers information about and giving information about various kind of flowers. Today I'm here again with my new video. Hi, myself Rajat Thakuri, and here I come with a new video about chrysanthemum. Now, as you all know, chrysanthemum, the season of chrysanthemum has started, especially in the cold regions, and the tropical region have more time still left or to be done. But chrysanthemums here in cold regions, especially from where I belong, that is Darjeeling, the season has started, and I have already kept the cuttings in it. Now this year, in order to try, what I have done is that I kept two series of cuttings, two batch of cuttings, not two exactly two batch of cuttings, but I kept in two medias, same batch of cuttings but in two medias. First, you can see it's fully made up of sand, okay, and the coarse sand is there, and in the second batch there is only cocopeat and perlite. So both in both the cases I can see that both have been successful for me. But I can see there are no such differences in both the cuttings. Let us now go through the roots. So let us take out the healthiest plants. So here you can see these are the healthiest plants. Here is it a healthiest plant. So let us see the development of root. So while you uproot from the cocoa peat and perlite, it's very easy. You can see the development. It was very nice, very beautiful, strong and beautiful. Now let us compare this to the healthiest plant of this one. Now, okay, so this is in sand. So more or less you can see the development of roots in both the cases are more or less same. Okay, the only good thing about cocoa peat and perlite is that it's easier to uproot, whereas in case of sand is a little bit difficult. As well as not only that, but it will be easier to transfer the plant which are kept in cocoa perlite in respect to this which is kept in the sand, because it dries up very quickly, and you cannot just keep the cuttings which is kept in sand in a dry uprooted for a long bit of time, whereas in cocoa peat and perlite you can keep it for a longer bit of time. So this is the these are the two plants kept in a different media at the same time. One is in cocoa peat perlite and another one is in sand, and you can see the kind of media this cocoa peat perlite has been holding, the plant has been holding. It's quite good, so it will not droop out even if it is sunny day, but this can get droop out very easily because the sand will get dried very easily. Hence from this year I have decided that from the coming batch of cuttings I have decided that I will root them in cocoa peat perlite. The next thing is that in cocoa peat and perlite it takes a little bit longer time than the normal sand. It takes a little bit longer time to root up in cocoa perlite than the sand, but the growth of the root is better in the perlite root, cocoa peat and perlite in compared to the sand. So there are both pros and cons, but the most important thing is that when I am uprooting the plant like this and putting it in the net pot, since I will be using cocoa peat and perlite, it will be easier for me to put it inside net pot and ship it to the different customers, whereas in this case this will be useful for those for the local buyers, and I can just give them uprooted, and this will be of low cost and a bit costly for this one, because cocoa peat and perlite are a bit costly. So that's all for this video. Okay, I hope you like the video and hope this is informative. Cocoa peat and perlite media in cocoa peat and perlite. Here I have sand. So in both the cases the plants are quite healthy and that they have rooted up very well. They have rooted up very well in both the sections. But I will generally go with cocopeat and perlite because it keeps the moisture retained. It retains the moisture in compared to the sand. Because if it is a very sunny day, then the plants will droop out very easily in case of sand. But in case of cocopeat and perlite, it will not droop out easily. And at the end, I give options to you. You can use anything, but for me, if you stay in dry region, then you can use cocopeat and perlite. And if you stay in a cool place, then sand is the optimum uh, go through media for the propagation of chrysanthemum. I hope you like the video, and hopefully you will join me in another video. Thank you so much, and bye bye.